In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items, products, or services in accounting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a new product or service so it's ready to use on invoices, bills, and more. Start on your Akaunting dashboard. From the main navigation menu, look for the section labeled Items. This is your central hub for managing everything you sell or purchase, whether it's a physical product or a service you provide. Open that page to see your current list, along with options to add something new. To create a new entry, click the New Item button. This opens the item creation form and is where you'll define what the item is and how it's used in your books. Now choose the item type. Select Product. If it's something tangible, like a packaged good you sell, or select Service if it's something you do, like consulting or installation. Picking the right type keeps your records clear and helps with reporting down the line. Next, fill in the item details. Start with the name. Use a clear, specific name that you and your customers will recognize at a glance. Consistent naming makes it easier to search and avoids confusion later. If you use categories to organize your catalog, select a category here. Categories are optional, but they're very helpful as your list grows, especially when you want to filter items or analyze sales by group. In the description field, add any notes you want to remember or show on documents. Think brief specs, what's included, or important terms. Keep it concise but informative so anyone on your team can understand the item at a glance. Scroll to the pricing section. If you sell this item to customers, tick the Sale Information option and enter the selling price. Double-check the currency and formatting, and use consistent rounding so totals on invoices make sense. If you also track what you pay for this item, tick Purchase Information and enter the purchase cost. This is helpful for understanding margins and making smarter pricing decisions. If you don't track purchase costs, you can leave that unchecked without affecting your ability to invoice. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new item will immediately appear in your items list and will be available to add to invoices, bills, and other transactions. If you notice something to tweak, maybe a clearer name or an updated price, you can always come back and edit it later. That's it. You've added a product or service in accounting quickly and correctly, setting yourself up for cleaner records and faster billing. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.